Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another episode of the Play Along With Me series. Today we will do the Etude number 2 by Romberg, again, just like the previous episode. For those that are not familiar with this Play Along series, I recommend you to stick along. Otherwise, if you're familiar with it, you can skip it. So which book are we going to use for this series? Well, we are going to use the Alfredo Piatti Cello Method. You can find the PDF link in the video description below if you don't have it. So how will this work? You will see that there are two lines, two parts. There is the higher part, which is the student part, and the lower part, the lower voice, is the teacher's part. So first I will play the student part, then I will play the lower part. So you can choose which one you play. So if I play the higher one, obviously you play the lower, and vice versa. There will be sheet music on the screen, so you will accompany with much ease. There will be also a metronome marking, so before each session, before playing, you will hear 4 beats, which will be the quarter notes, so that we stay in sync when we play. And of course, the tuning. So I am tuning on 441. And also what I suggest you to do is, if you don't play along with me, if you're just watching, observe what I am doing, observe on which part of the bow I'm playing, observe what I'm doing with the arm, observe what I'm doing with the left hand. And if you don't want to miss any of these play along videos or other cello related content, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. And that's actually it, so without further said, let's play together. I hope that you liked it. I recommend this to do a couple of times, so it's not a one-time thing. Because each time that you will play, you will learn new things, and also with time going, you will get mature. So try to do this a couple of times. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you liked it. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.